Hey guys, what's up? This is Jim, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you kung paano kayo mag-open ng CRE account sa Canada. Okay, and applicable to if ever bago ka pa lang or temporary pa rin workers ka, and then gagawa ka ng CRE account, or isa kang na-PR ka na and then gagawa ka ng panibagong account. Kasi pag na-PR ka na, yung dati mong CRA mako-close na yun kasi bago yung SIN mo, so applicable din to sa bagong na PR. Okay, so ipakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng account. Okay, so mag-open kayo ng browser niyo and then i-search niyo register for CRA, or i-type nyo ganito, CRA register. Okay, new account, and then i-click nyo tong register for CRA account. Yan, ganito yung hitsura. Okay, ganyan yung hitsura. And then merong step dito, no, start your registration, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6. Okay, so ang step 1, kailangan meron kayong SIN. Okay, SIN number. Dito sa Canada, meron kayong SIN number bago kayo mag-work. Okay, yung date of birth mo, and then amounts you reported on your most recent tax return. Okay, yung tax return, ganito yung hitsura niya, no? Okay, next, ganito yung hitsura na mababasa nyo dito, income tax return sa taas, no? Mabasa niyo yun. And then sa second page na yan, yung T1 key in field summary, KFS, ito yung kailangan niyo, no, na details. Okay, so yan yun, mayroong mga line dyan, no? Line total income, may mga line number dyan. Okay, so yan yung kailangan ninyo. And then step 2, mamili kayo dito ng dalawang option, no? Sign in partner, CRA user ID or password, or provincial partner sa BC or nasa Alberta ka. Okay, and then after ka makagawa nun, meron kang verification, no? Verify your identity. Okay, so pag verify ng identity, dalawa, either mag-submit ka ng photo of yourself, mag-picture ka gamit yung mobile device mo, or i-send mo yung code, CRE code, doon sa mailbox or sa Canada Post. Mostly, ginagawa ko ito, no? Nagpadala sila ng letter or mail, and then nandun yung code. Okay, and then mag-enroll ka sa multi-factor authentication, either sa Authenticator app. Ang Authenticator app is ganito siya, no? Wait lang, ha. Okay, so pakita ko sa yung Authenticator app. I-search ko muna dito sa Play Store, no? Authenticator app. So sa akin, ito yun. Okay, yan, nakikita nyo Google Authenticator. Yan yun siya, no? Yan. Okay, so yan yung Google Authenticator, right? Yan yung step 5, and then yung step 6 is for represents a client only. Right, so ngayon tayo mag-register tayo ng account niyo. Okay, so dito tayo diretso step 2, no? Kailangan meron kayong SIN and yung tax return niyo. Okay, itong pinakita ko sa inyo. Ito. Okay, ito yung pinakita ko sa inyo. Okay, ito yun. So ngayon, either mag-sign in kayo gamit yung bangko ninyo, bank account, or gagawa kayo ng CRE user ID password. Okay, so ang gawin natin is i-click natin ng CRE user ID and password, no? So, yan yung pinaka-importante dyan. And then, once makagawa na tayo, proceed na tayo sa step 3, which is verify your identity. Okay? And then, pag na-verify na, mag-enroll ka na dito step 4, and then, mag-ano ka na, step 5, security code ka na. Okay? So, pag i-click mo to, CRE, user ID, and password. Ayan. Ito na yun, validate your identity. Dito na kayo magsimula, no? Mag-register. Maglagay na kayo ng mga ano ninyo, details, no? Is IN, date of birth, and tas ito yung tax information, interline 15,000 from your 2024 income tax, no? So which is ito yung pinapakita ko sa inyo. Okay? Ito yun, ito pinapakita ko sa inyo. Okay? Ayan, if you have a non-resident representative number, you must enter different information. So, social insurance number, ito natin. Okay. And then, ang birthday. Okay, and then yung tax mo sa ano, kung meron ka ng tax, matagal ka na sa Canada or 1 year ka na, meron kang T4, tinatawag na T4. Okay, so if your 2024 return has not been filed, and assist interline 15,000, may number kasi yung line na yan. So interline 15,000 from your 2024 income tax and benefit return. If your 2024 return has not been filed, and assist interline 15,000 from your 2023. Okay? So hanapin natin yung tax. 15,000 from 2024. Asa yan? Line 15,000. Ito pala. So, ang line ng 15,000, ang amount is 65,835,77. Okay? 77. Total income 15,000 line. So, yan yung 65. 15,065. 835.77. Next. Next natin. Interline 10,100. 10,100. That was 65. 4.17. Okay, so that's line 10,100. Okay, 10,100 nakalagay dito, no? Ito. Next, as a security measure, we will verify identity using one of the options below. If you are blind or partially sighted, you can ask to receive your personal correspondence from CRE. Okay, select the option you want to use. Interact document verification. Select this option for immediate full access to CRE sign-in services. You will need to verify it with an active government issued. You will need access to camera in a mobile device. So, dalawang option para ma-verify ka, either Interact or CRE security code by mail. So, dito ako. Select this option to receive CRE security code by mail to the address you have on record with CRE. You should receive it 5 to 10 days. Next. Okay, once you have completed this process, you should receive your CRE code by mail within 5 to 10 days. We will mail it to the address we have on file for you. You can also use Interact Document Verification Service for immediate full access to CRE sign-in services. Please enter your current postal code or zip code below. If you are blind, sighted, you can ask to receive your personal correspondence from the CRE in alternate format. So, postal code, lagay mo. Okay. Yun. Or space. Okay. Yan yung postal code ko. And then next mo lang, multi-factor authentication element. Okay? So, kailangan, ano to parang security, ano to siya, security purposes to, no? Kailangan makareceive ka ng code either sa authenticator app mo or sa email mo. Okay? Telephone or ano. Nakalagay dito, select the passcode option you want to use to receive a one-time passcode. Authenticator app, select this option if you want to use authenticator app, download separately to generate your one-time passcode. So, mayroong tinatawag na Google Authenticator app. Yung gamit ko mostly sa mga verification ko. Ang akin itong Authenticator app kasi basta connected ako sa Wi-Fi, marireceive ko yung code. Okay, so yan yun. Meron ako niyan. Turo ko niyan sa inyo, no? Next. Ngayon, picturean ko yan siya, no? So, picture ako. And then, mag-set up ako ng bagong code. Okay? So, itong camera ko, no? Mag-set up ako ng code sa, ano ko, sa camera ko. Wait lang, i-record ko dito sa camera para makita ninyo, no? Record screen para makita ninyo. Ito, Authenticator app, ito. Okay, so, meron ako dito. Authenticator app. To mag-add ako dito ng panibago. Kasi meron ako dating CRA kaso na ano naman, na PR na ako, so iba na yung CRA account mo. Magbago kasi yan. Okay? So, picturean ko yan. Scan QR code. Okay, picture na. So, ano yun? So, meron siya, oops. CRA. So, itong isang CRA, delete ko na to. Oops. Okay. And then, okay na siya. So, meron akong code na na-generate. P94288. Okay. And then, ask me to input a one-time passcode each time I sign in using this device. Recommended if you're using a public or shared device. Okay. So, click mo yung next. As a security measure, we will mail your CRA code to your address on record with the CRA. You should receive it within 5 to 10 days. If you are blind or partially sighted, you can ask to receive your personal correspondence from the CRA. It's an alternate format. So next. Okay. So October 8, 2025. Ayan na siya. Basahin mo yan, no? Terms and condition na yan. Ayan. Okay. So, yun. Alright. So, agree. You have limited access. You can use the document verification process or enter a CRA if you have received one to gain immediate full access to CRA sign-in services. You can also request CRA security code if you do not have one. Enter your security code. Okay. So, yan yun. Pag ano na, pag tawag nito, pag may security code ka, dito mo na i-enter siya. Okay. Paano kayo magkaroon ng authenticator app at saka code doon sa CRA account ninyo? So, all you have to do is search nyo sa Google Play Store or App Store ninyo, Google Authenticator. Okay, kung first time pa kayong mag-download nito, wala pa kayong code na makikita. Pero tulad sa akin na matagal na akong gumagamit ng ganito and halos lahat ng authentication app, iba't ibang website to yung gamit ko. So, all you have to do is open. Kung first time nyo pa, wala kayong makikita ang code. Pero tulad sa akin na matagal nang gumamit ng ganito, marami kayong code na makikita. So, pag open niyo yan yung code, all you have to do is click nyo tong plus. Yan. Click nyo yung plus ito. I-click nyo to. Okay? So, pag-click nyo dyan, may lalabas na scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Okay? So, all you have to do is i-click nyo tong scan QR code. And then, makikita nyo na yan. Meron ng nag-ano no. So, yung square na yan, itutok nyo doon sa screen. Okay? Pag itutok nyo sa screen, automatic yan, makaptured yung code na nasa screen. And then, automatic na yan na makonect doon sa Authenticator app, and then lalabas na yung nakalagay na parang ganito sa dulo. Yan, CRE, ERC, yan. Okay, CRE, ERC, yan na yung code na lalabas. Okay, so hope na sundan ninyo and gawin ninyo. After 10 days, andito na. Okay, dito na siya. Makikita nyo sa sobre nakalagay Canada Revenue Agency. Okay, makikita nyo yun. Ito yung sobre, ang laman ng code, no? Yung CRE code ninyo. Okay, buksan natin. So, thank you for your interest in registering for the Canada Revenue Agency Digital Services. Security code, expiry date February 5, 2026. So, may expiration yung code. Okay, so 5 to 10 days pag hindi nyo pa ma-receive, i-follow up ninyo. Okay, and then mayroong instruction dito, go to sign in to your CRE account web page. Under sign in to your CRE account, select the option you registered with. Okay, piliin nyo yun, or CRE password, and then i-follow nyo yung instruction dun. Okay, so yun and i-enter na natin to. Okay, so search nyo CRE login. Yan, sign into your CRE account. Okay, and kung nag-register kayo through sign in partner, i-click nyo yan. Kung sa CRE user ID password, i-click nyo yan. Okay, so di ko na ipakita kung paano mag-login, maglagay ng user ID or password ko. So dito na tayo. So after mag-login, ito na yung lalabas, no? Ito na. So CRE security code, ilagay ko na yung code. Okay, so okay, so next, okay, nandiyan na siya. And then, click mo yung I agree. Ayan. Ayan, nakita na siya. Okay? So, yun lang. Nakita mo na yung account mo. So, okay na siya. Kung i-view mo yung account mo, yan. Meron ka ng account. Okay? So, yan siya. Dito mo na makikita yung mga T4 mo, mga uncast checks. Okay? So, makikita mo yan dito. Pwede mo i-click yan isa-isa. Ito na yung mga mo, laman ng CRE. Ito na yung bagong CRE mo. Okay? So, yan na yung profile. Ayan. Okay, so check mo yung mail. Ayan, carbon rebate. Ayan, notice of assessment. Okay, so so your carbon rebate, ayan siya, may marami, nandito lahat. Ito na yung, so yung luma mong CRE account, kung temporary pa rin workers ka, automatic yan mag-appear dito, automatic yan malink. Okay, kasi isa lang naman yung mo, CRE account. So from previous CRE account, ma-close yun pag mayroon kang eco-PR, pero pag na-PR ka na, na siya, automatic yan i-link ng Canada Revenue Agency. Okay, So, yun lang, and I hope na tulong to sa inyo, and thanks for watching.